Meet Bob. Bob inspects parts to make sure they have a flawless finish. Wait, what's this? Looks like another part's headed for the scrap pile because Bob's company keeps having paint defects. Here are some of the paint defects Bob's dealing with: runs, sags, solvent pop, orange peel, poor adhesion, dry spray, blistering, fish eyes, film building variation, uneven cure.
Bob, what are we doing to solve our paint defects?
Well, here's what we've been doing. We've adjusted the air pressure, we've adjusted the angles of the gun. It all seems to work for a time being, but it's not consistent.
Call the paint supplier. There's got to be something wrong with our paint.
Great idea, boss. We keep having paint defects. There's got to be something wrong with the paint.
It's not the paint, Bob. It sounds like you're having viscosity issues.
How can that be? We address our viscosity issues by adding solvent in the paint kitchen.
Well, remember, Bob, your viscosity is affected by lots of outside influences from the time it leaves the kitchen to the time it gets to the gun. For instance, 1. Your ambient environment is changing. 2. The distance and path the paint travels, such as routing near an oven. 3. The viscosity is also being affected by shear as it passes through the pumps and regulators. I think you should check out Saint Clair Systems.
Because Bob called Saint Clair Systems, Bob now sees less paint defects, less operator input, and a more consistent process which results in a higher first pass yield. Find out how Saint Clair Systems can help you with your viscosity issues by clicking the link or find us on the web at www.viscosity.com.